Hello, everyone. Welcome to the new episode of Women Know IT. If you don't know me by now, my name is Katarina. I'm a program manager at Office Team. Microsoft Development Center Serbia actively works on increasing the number of female employees, not only within Microsoft, but in the IT industry in general. Women Know IT is one of the main initiatives through which we aim to empower women to start their career as a software engineer. Today, we're continuing the series called Her Journey, where we talk with our colleagues about career development and experiences. Now, in the last episode, Milica Batinic has shared how her love for programming shaped her career from a very young age, and how it's important to push yourself out of your comfort zone. Today, we have a very different story, very unusual one, how a ballerina became a programmer. Please welcome Bojana Mandić. Hello, Bojana, welcome.
Hi, Katja. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you for joining. I couldn't resist of not mentioning the transition from ballerina to programmer. So sorry for the spoiler, but let's start from the beginning of your journey.
I was born in Kraljevo, and when I was 7 years old, I started attending classical ballet classes. And that was something that I was really passionate about, and I was taking it really seriously. And I also finished primary ballet school. And when the time came for me to decide which high school to attend, I decided to move to Belgrade to attend ballet school Lujo Davičo. And I finished this school in classical ballet department. So I spent my high school days on working hard to become a ballerina.
Wow. And what happens after high school?
After high school, I actually realized that I don't want to continue with ballet. And at that point, I was not really sure where I should go and what I should do. Because ballet school is, of course, primarily focused on dance and some music classes, but from the general education classes, there are only some social and linguistic subjects. So at first point, when I was thinking about which university to choose, I was considering only social and linguistic sciences. However, at my primary school, I had a really great math teacher, and his name is Dragan Jovanović. My entire class, all the children in the class, really loved him because he was always trying to incorporate some jokes in his lectures, and he really made math interesting. So at that point, I started to love math. And actually, that influenced me to decide to make a little bit more extreme switch. And I decided to study math. And I obtained my bachelor and master's degree at Faculty of Mathematics in Belgrade on Department of Computer Science.
Wow, that was a twist. And it takes a lot of nerve and courage to make such a step. Where did you draw the motivation from?
For me, the support that I had from my family has immeasurable importance, because I always had that freedom to follow my dreams, both when I decided to move from my hometown to attend ballet school, and also when I decided to study math after finishing ballet school, even though they were aware that it could happen that I maybe won't be able to keep up with classes and exams there, but they supported me to try anyway.
Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah. You know that whatever happens, they got your back, so you don't have anything to lose.
Yes, yeah.
So going back to your journey, you are finishing ballet high school and starting Faculty of Mathematics. How did that go?
The university was the most crucial step for me in preparing for the software engineering role, but it definitely was a challenge, especially at the beginning. And for example, my entrance exam was not great at all.
Oh well, it happens.
Yeah, yeah, and the beginning was hard. However, with some time and effort, I was getting better and better. And also, some of my friends from the university were very good students. So I was always trying to be as good as they are, and that helped me to give my best and get some good results.
Awesome. And was there any subject that bubbled up as your favorite?
Well, yeah, my favorite subject was compilers, held by Professor Filip Marić, who was also my mentor on master thesis. And he's really a great professor. And while I was working on my master thesis, I had a lot of freedom to research and bring my own ideas. And he was always there to help me with some great advices how to improve things further. And I think that in general, I had a lot of great professors and teaching assistants at the university, and that university prepared me well for this profession since I wrote my first program there, and after finishing my studies, I got my first job here at MDCS.
So you're coming here at MDCS straight out of college. Can you share a bit about that experience?
Yes, I have been working at MDCS for almost 2 years now, and I'm working in the office team.
We're on the same team if you haven't figured out by now.
Yes, and we're working on integrating features powered by artificial intelligence in the office applications. And our main focus is on trying to help our users to increase their productivity in their everyday work while making sure that our features are accessible to everyone. And I really like that my everyday work requires a lot of collaboration and teamwork, and I really enjoy the friendly atmosphere here. And our everyday work requires a lot of, it requires constant learning because there are always some new tasks and different problems to solve. And I'm really happy that I can contribute to the overall success of our teams in Serbia.
Well, we've been working together on the same project since you joined, so I can definitely vouch for her contribution and how amazing she is. So thank you for that.
Thank you.
And do you have any advice for our audience that could have helped you or will help them in their career?
Well, I think that if you find something that motivates you, it's important to prepare yourself to be ready to take some risks and to accept the failures and try to learn from them and then move on. And one more thing that I would like to mention is, even though I don't have any internship experience from working with our interns each season, I think that it's a very valuable experience, and they really can feel how it looks to work on big projects. And I really think that it's a great opportunity to improve your skills and also get more confidence.
Thank you, Bojana, so much for sharing your journey. I hope that you found Bojana's story interesting. And most of all, I really hope that this story breaks the prejudice that you have to code from a very young age to be a successful programmer. It's totally okay to explore and to try yourself out in different areas. As soon as you find something that you love and you're passionate about, just go for it. Put in the hard work and it will definitely pay off. Thank you all for joining us today. Make sure to follow MDCS Serbia on Instagram for new episodes and for internship and job announcements. On behalf of Women Know IT team, I wish you all the best and see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye.